Can you build your network marketing business during a recession? We're hearing more things in the news about the recession, bad economic times, all of that. I'm sure that you're probably feeling some of that fear about the economy and building your business. My name is Matt Zavidil, and I help network marketers build their businesses, A, by increasing their leadership and personal development skills, and B, their sales and marketing skills. See, I was building a network marketing business in 2008, 2009, when we had a really bad economic time. And I remember back then it was scary. But what was really interesting that I found out by living through that time and building a business through that time. And as you can tell, I'm an older dude, and most of you watching this are probably younger than me. So I want to give you some of this insight that I can give you because I lived through it and I built through it. So what I found was that our businesses, our sales went up. We were doing better as that economic time got worse because people were really focused on, how do I make more money? How can I build myself a better future? And they were less focused on entertainment and all the silly stuff in life, right? But again, some of the silly stuff in life is some of the most fun, of course. But I want to give you some encouragement that right now is when you want to put your foot on the pedal and really go and build your business. So my answer to, can you build your network marketing business during a recession, is an absolute yes. I've lived through it, and I know we're going to see the same trajectory right now. And so there's a couple of key points I want you to leave this video with. Well, maybe three. One of them is to know and to start believing that this is actually a really good time to be building your business, even though you might feel a little bit of those scared feelings based on what the news is saying and all that. The second thing is, I want you to start thinking about, as you build your business during this tough economic time, are you coming at it from a place more of, I just got to make a sale? Or have you developed a vision for your business where you start to enjoy the work? And what I mean by that is, I find a lot of network marketers go at this business more from a transactional standpoint of, I just got to make some money. But there's no real chart in that, right? So when I say vision, what I mean is, if you haven't done this yet, go and sit down by yourself and think through this a little bit. Am I really enjoying solving the problem that my product helps me solve for my customers? Do I enjoy that process? And most likely you do, because most network marketers are selling a product that, you first use and got a benefit from. And so there already is some heart there, right? You're like, I used it, I got this benefit, I'm excited about it, I want to share it. So if you got that, great. But what I want you to think about is, have you put together a vision where you can see yourself solving this problem for people 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now? Like, is this really something you enjoy? That's got to be there. And if you're finding that you're not enjoying the daily things you got to do to get leads and sales into your business, then I encourage you to sit down and think about that and build yourself a vision. Because here's the thing, when it comes to having that vision, it really helps you start to have more conviction in your business. And when you have conviction about the problem that you're solving for people, both on the side of how I help via my product and how I can help people make more money, especially when they're struggling because of these recessionary times. When you have conviction in all of that, I find that is what creates your discipline. Because if you've got conviction in, I want to be doing this, I would do this for free. I would solve this problem for people for free because I am so convicted in helping people solve this problem. Yes, Matt, I can see myself doing this 10, 20 years from now. That conviction creates the discipline that will make sure you go and continue to work each day just a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more before you sit down and watch Netflix, right? Or on the weekend, instead of doing a full weekend binge on Netflix, you say, no, I got to put in these 4 or 5 hours into my business first. Then I can sit down with my family and we can enjoy some Netflix or Amazon or whatever it is you guys watch. So that's number 2. So number 1 is, know that you can build in a recession, because people need to make money right now and it's going to get worse. And more people are going to want to hear you talking about how they can make more money. Number 2, get a big vision so you get the conviction to be disciplined. And number 3, once you've got that, then focus in on, how can you get better at sales and marketing, right? And probably the easiest way to get your network marketing business really rocking and rolling, so to speak, is to get on social media, focus on 1, maybe 2 platforms, and build those platforms out. We're in a really cool time where I'm hearing in the last 2 or 3 months, I've been hearing from third-party people and watching people I'm helping start new social media accounts, and within a couple of months, getting some really good traction. But of course, it takes the conviction and discipline to post enough to start getting that traction. So I would just get around as many people as you can that can help you with the vision, help you with the personal development stuff, and then get in front of the people that can mentor you and train you on how to get the social media, the social selling stuff really working well for you, where you come across with heart, people feel your conviction, and you don't sound salesy all the time. That's for another video. That's for a different topic. But those are the 3 things I would have you focus on right now. And if you don't know where to go to get the help with establishing your vision, to get mentored on that, and to find a way to get your sales and marketing skills up level to the point where you are getting daily sales, people coming into your business on a weekly basis, good team members, then I'm going to shoot you a link in the description of this video. I mean, with all the Face, TikTok, Gram stuff that's out there, whatever platform you're watching on this, somewhere around my head, there's going to be a place where you can find a link. Okay. Click on that link. I'm going to shoot you over to a page where if you would like to, you can put in your information and I'll shoot you over some video trainings around all of this. And I would encourage you to do that and uh, get some conviction, get some marketing training under your belt and just go build this business. This is the time to do it. And if you don't do any of that, but you just like this message, would you like the video? Would you comment on it? Let me know what you're doing right now in your business to build in the recession. Anything like that, a like, a share, whatever it might be, helps me get this message out to more network marketers who need it. So go build. This is the time to do it. Click the link, get my training if you'd like to go through that, get around a mentorship group that can help you, and just go build this thing. You can do this. You really can do this if you just focus, put heart in your business, and run with it.